All right, guys, I'm back with my review on the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Guys, I've had it for a good while now. I did some flights and during the day. I did some flights at night. I've used the auto tracking feature with my son riding the bike around the neighborhood. Guys, the DJI Mini 5 Pro, I don't know how the 6 is gonna be that much better. I mean, they'll probably come out with like a bigger sensor or something like that. You know, they're gonna enhance the current features and stuff like that. But guys, it's gonna really be hard to beat this one. Guys, this DJI Mini 5, I mean, I really don't even know where to start. I mean, just the resolution quality is just amazing. And it's just such a joy to fly, you know, with that obstacle avoidance in both normal and cinematic mode. I mean, even those modes, they fly pretty fast. I have not like really tested like the distance out or anything like that, but guys, I love it. And let's not even talk about, guys, let me show you this here. Look at this remote. I mean, I saw this, guys. You don't really need it. It's just something I saw. If you do run into too much sun hitting the, you know, the screen and you're not able to see it, you know, you can buy this on, I think it's like 20 bucks, something like that. It's just some cheap plastic you put on here and, you know, you just cover it up like that. But I mean, I actually do love it. That way, when I put it in my bag, I actually am protecting the screen here on the front. But guys, this here is a game changer from what I was used to, because before, guys, oh man, I had to whip out my phone and, you know, hook it up to this little gizmo that hooked up to the remote. Guys, it was just the most rinky dink, oh man, that, you know, yeah, I was done with. I did not fly my Mavic Mini 2 as much as I should have, because it was just always a hassle. I have the iPhone Pro Max. It's a pretty good sized phone. I mean, matter of fact, you know, you guys can see it here in the shot. It's a pretty good sized phone. It did not fit. If you have the regular iPhone, then yeah, it'll probably fit fine. But mine is the bigger one. So yeah, it did not work. Look at those ND filters. I haven't even used them, but guys, let's just take one out. Let's just see. This is going to either, I hate doing stuff live for the first time for you guys. So yeah, you just put this on here and it should just snap on the front. Does it go sideways? Let me put my glasses on, guys. Let me put on my specs. All right, this is the ND8 and looks like it goes this way here. I'm trying to get you guys to see what am I doing. I'm holding it. I'm holding the gizmo, and somebody's probably saying, "Oh no, you're supposed to do it when it's in a certain." Okay, see what I said? This is going to be real bad or real good. Oh wait, does it go? Oh wait. Does it go that way? Guys, I was trying to put it on in the horizontal way, and it goes vertical. Okay, yeah, it goes vertical. All right, so that ND8, or whether it's ND16, or actually, no, it's ND32 or ND128, it goes vertical when you put it on, and it should be like upright. All right, so that's how you know. But yeah, guys, yeah, if you want to put some ND filters on, oh, wasn't even finished snapping. But yeah, guys, if you want to put an ND filter on and then set your shutter speed, get you a more cinematic look, guys, yeah, go for it. And yeah, guys, I got the Fly More combo. Yeah, you can just put these batteries in here and you can just charge them, charge up the whole case. Get that indicator on here fully charged. Yeah, that is cool. I may end up ordering one more battery. That way I have one battery. That way this is completely full and I'll have one battery in here. That way I could, when I pull this out, boom. Yeah, so I'll have 3 batteries as a backup. Do I really need it? No, depending on how much it costs. You know, we'll see. We'll see. Whatever it is, it's going to be the DJI battery. I really don't do much aftermarket when it comes to performance. Okay, I like to stick with name brands or the brand that I'm working with. So I like to have all DJI stuff, or if there's another brand, you know, that I'm using, whether it's Nikon, I like to have Nikon stuff, or GoPro, I like to use all GoPro stuff. That's just me. That is just me. So yeah, guys, this here, we're gonna just shut this down. Let's see if it's gonna power.
Aircraft will power off in 5 seconds. Press any button on aircraft to cancel.
So yeah, I'm gonna cancel it. This particular leg here is the one. So I can close the other 3 and nothing's going to happen. But when this leg here, right, on the back right, the passenger right, that's the one that is either going to power it on or power it off. Okay, so I can shut this down. I can shut this down. I can close this and it's still on. When I close this leg,
aircraft will power off in 5 seconds. Press any button on aircraft to cancel.
Yeah, that's it. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think about the DJI Mini 5 Pro drone. Guys, I love mine. I love it. Yep. I love it. I'm gonna go out and do some more flying. Guys, please comment, like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys on the next video. Send me with AMI Photography. I'm out, yo. Now that's what they may come out with on the 6. This here is kind of floppy. You're supposed to put the legs in and all this. I could never get this on. And then I'll see people doing it on their channel. I'm like, really? You got yours in the first try? Yeah, that's it. All right, guys, I'm out.